Hello, Bear Science followers! Today, we're diving into YR4, an asteroid predicted to potentially hit Earth in 2032 and ranked among the highest risk objects. Calculations suggest we have only 7 years left, but what does that really mean? Let's explore the background, measurement data, and possible impacts of this threat together. Discovered on December 27, 2024, by astronomers in Chile, YR4 stands out among the asteroids with the highest impact risks. With an estimated diameter between 40 and 90 meters, this asteroid is evaluated based on data from only a 1.5-month segment of its observed orbit. Initial calculations put its collision probability between 1.6% and 2.2%, figures that, while not definitive, provide scientists with an important data set to monitor. Now, let's take a closer look at YR4. Soon after its discovery, YR4 was intensively monitored, and scientists gathered a wealth of data to calculate its orbit. Early observations indicate that it completes an orbit around the Sun in approximately 3.99 Earth years and has an orbital inclination of about 3.41 degrees. However, these numbers are based on just a short segment of its orbit. Small deviations, caused by atmospheric friction and the effects of gas and dust, can accumulate over time and introduce a margin of error in our calculations. Experts use the Torino Scale to assess these uncertainties. This scale calculates both the collision probability and the kinetic energy that would be released upon impact, helping us gauge the threat level of asteroids. Current estimates place YR4 in the yellow zone, meaning it should be monitored, yet it does not pose an immediate, panic-inducing threat. It's important to remember that the available data comes from only a 1.5-month observational period. As long-term observations continue, our predictions of its orbit will become even more refined. In summary, according to current data, while YR4's probability of impacting Earth is very low, its collision could cause significant local devastation. If it were to strike a major city, the local infrastructure, buildings, and lives could be upended in an instant. However, the overall threat posed by such asteroids is far less dramatic than the catastrophic scenarios often sensationalized by the media. YR4 currently rates around 2 or 3 on the Torino Scale, meaning it merits monitoring but does not warrant widespread panic. Scientists continuously collect new data and refine their calculations to determine the orbits and potential risks of asteroids. This process updates our short-term estimates with long-term observations, yielding more accurate predictions over time. Thus, even though YR4's closest approach is expected on December 22, 2032, current evidence suggests that the risk is low enough to prevent disaster. The key is to rely on trustworthy scientific sources rather than sensationalized media reports, and to recognize the critical importance of investing in space research and early warning systems. In conclusion, while YR4 does not pose an existential threat to humanity, its impact could cause significant local devastation. Don't be swayed by the catastrophic scenarios often portrayed in the media. Scientific data shows that the probability of this asteroid colliding with Earth is very low. For more up-to-date information and detailed analysis, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep looking up at the skies.